Welcome to my channel, Step to Learn.
Today I will teach you the counting from 1 to 99. So let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know what comes after 9? 10. What comes after 9? 10. Now we will use this card and start counting from 11. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19. And what comes after 19? We will turn the page and 20 20. Now we will use this page and start the counting from 21. 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29. And next we will turn the page and 30 30, 29 and 30. Now we will use this page to count from 31. 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39. And what comes after 39? Yes, we will turn the page and say it loud. 40 40, 40 40. Next, we will count from 41. 4 and 1, 41. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And what comes after 49? 50. Now start counting from 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And what comes after 59? Turn the page. 60, 60. Now we will count from 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. What comes after 69? Turn the page. 70. Now counting from 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. What comes after 79? Turn the page. Yes, 80, 80. Now count from 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. And what comes after 89? Yes, 90. Now start from 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. Today we have learned the counting from 0 to 99. Very good.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.